Alright, happy KO everyone. Are you hearing pops and clicks in your audio recording? One thing you might want to try doing is, first off, is restarting the computer. This might solve your problem. However, if it's one of those pops or clicks that's in the same part of the audio track every time, and you can't quite pinpoint where it is no matter how much you zoom in, you can't quite see it, I'm going to show you a little trick how to find it. Sorry to those of you who had to see that. The camera was out of focus, but I'm not going to re-record all that. One more thing to note here is I'm not aware of a plugin that can go in and find pops and clicks automatically. So if you're someone who knows of a plugin like that, please leave that down in the comment, and don't get angry with me that I didn't know about it. But anyway, here's how I found a clip in my track. Okay, so here's where the clip is. And you probably can't hear it on the camera, but right where that little yellow line is, right about halfway in the screen, is when you hear it clip. Ready? Right there, right there. So I don't know if you can hear it, but it's in there. It's right here. But I'm going to show you, if I didn't know where that was, here's how I found it. What I did was I zoomed in on this purple audio track. We're going to zoom in pretty close. So you see how the waves go up and down? The waves have peaks and valleys when I'm this close up to the wave. I'm going to put a little fader right here. And I'm going to do it on one wave, one peak and one valley basically. And then you select the whole track and you move it back. Oh God, this is so hard to explain. You zoom back out and I'm gonna drag this over to where I can kind of guess where the click is. So just by listening, I know maybe it's somewhere in this area right here. I can hear it right before the audio cuts out. So maybe I'll bring it back here. Bring it before the clip happens. So here. I can't hear it there. So drag it a little forward. Still can't hear it. A little bit more. Now I can hear it. So it's in between here and here somewhere. So then I zoom in even more. By the way, this little fader that I put in, the reason I did one peak and one valley is because that's where you won't get distracted. It won't make a clip when the audio ends, if that makes any sense. So it won't make another clip just from the audio suddenly ending. This is plenty of fade to where it won't clip at the end. Anyway, so I drag it back over here this way again. And this time I'm going to search for the clip one peak and one valley at a time. Nope. So I'm going to move one more peak and one more valley. Just like that. Now I'll try it again. Didn't hear it there either. So I'm going to move one more peak and one more valley. Didn't hear it there either. One more peak, one more valley. I can hear it kind of coming in now. One more peak, one more valley. I can hear it there. I can hear it there now. So now I know it's this peak or this valley where it's in, right here. So I'm going to zoom way in on this peak and valley, and voila, I see it right there. See that little peak there? That shouldn't be there. So I highlight it, see it right there? It's usually like a little tiny triangle. Delete that and drag this over to where that was. And now I'm going to test it out to make sure that was the right one. So I'm going to drag this guy over to the edge and select this clip, and let's try it. I can't hear it now. I can only hear the ending clip, so let's drag that out more and give us some more space. Okay, let's try that. Now it's gone. So then you can drag the edge of your track right here all the way over to wherever it's supposed to end. And that little tiny bit we got rid of right there was the clip. Now it's gone. All right, I wish you good luck to all the clip hunters out there. Happy clip and pop hunting to everyone, and happy KO.
Not that anybody would miss it, but you could say too that it'd be really useful if you have no choice or no opportunity to re-record.
This is also useful if you have no opportunity to re-record the track either. That's always the easy solution. This is obviously...
Sometimes I worry what people are going to think about my heavy feet. But that's okay.